Alright guys, so for this Minnie Mouse shirt, I try to lay this on here so you can see it. You're gonna need the name of the baby. Then I added birthday girl. I have my Minnie here. Hope you guys can see good. And this is everything that's going to be done in the white glitter vinyl. This is okay, closer, a black glitter vinyl. And this is the red glitter vinyl here. And then this vinyl here is a polka dot vinyl, which I wanted just to give it a little touch so that it can match up to the tutu, the ribbon trim tutu. Alright, and the onesie are your choice and your size. So let's start pressing. Oh my god, I don't even know if I recorded what I had to say. I don't know if the camera was on, but I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm sorry. So what I did was he pressed the shirt, then I folded the shirt in half, I heat pressed it again. I have another tutorial where I do the same method that I'll link in the top somewhere. Then I folded the birthday girl word in half, just like so. That way we get an even cut there, okay? And with that even cut in the middle is how I know that I'm centering my onesie. Then as I told you in my other video, I just like to give it a rough layout just to know where about everything's gonna end once I have it laid on the onesie. So that this will probably be up a little more, but the name about there, so that's good. This length here is good. So now I'm gonna go back to the heat press and press the shirt. Alright guys, so now I am going to remove the plastic from the shirt. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay my second piece out, which is going to be my Minnie. But I'm also going to be adding the number 1. So I do want to make sure that it's going to be evenly lined up. Okay, now I'm going to add Minnie's bow. Okay, and then I'm going to also add the number 1. When you adding anything like that has glitter, try to cut out as much as trim it as much as you can so that you don't get that extra glitter stuck on your shirt. Then, because then you just have to clean it off. Okay, we're gonna add the 1. This is the end result of the Minnie Mouse onesie. It came out adorable. I love the polka dot. Let me just get my okay, so that you see, I wanted the polka dot to tie back to the polka dot on the tutu, and Minnie is adorbs. I love it. Absolutely love it. It came out super cute. I hope mom... Alright, my loves, I hope that you guys can see this. It's getting kind of dark outside. But this is the shirt. So first we did the tutorial on how to make the ribbon trim tutu. Then we just finished doing the tutorial on how to make this super cute, adorable Minnie Mouse birthday shirt. So as I just finished showing you upstairs, that I chose the polka dot vinyl for the name because I wanted it to go back to this ribbon, because mom wanted the tutu, I should have moved the bow over, but wanted the tutu set to be red, yellow, and black, because that's the colors that she's using for the party decorations for the party. So this is it. Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I post weekly crafting tutorials. As I told you guys, I will start in September. But yep, this is it. Gotta finish that tumbler over there now. Have to put epoxy on and get it ready. But I still have to do, as I mentioned upstairs, I'm not sure if I did, but I have to do the headband and the bows for the Converses. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a video on those as well. That way I can just tie the whole outfit together in case any of you are interested in making it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. To the next one, SimplyNena with crafting, cooking, and sazon.